Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a new version for the Instagram carousels, especially with their new sizing. It's no longer the squares, so this is going to help you out with that. So with our width, actually, hold on. I don't know why this is backwards. This is crazy. So your height is going to be 1080 and your width is going to be 1350 times however many slides you're going to be doing. So for me, I'm doing 5 slides, so I'm going to be doing 6,750. Create new design. Alright, this is our thing. I wish this would go away. Get out of here. Go, get. Okay. Alright, so this is our thing. I think I need to scoot this over a little teensy bit for you guys. That should be perfect. Okay, so this is what we have. We're going to... Oops, that's not... Hold on. Alright, so we're going to go into here. We want to make sure that we're showing rulers and guides. And I'm going to go ahead and add some guides. And so what you're going to do for this, you want the 5 columns. We don't want a gap. So make sure the rest of this is going to be set to 0. We're not doing rows. Oh, you can't even really see. This says columns and this is rows. So all of this should be zeros except for this. This should be a 5. Well, in your case, however many slides that you're using. Now, what this is going to do is going to help us divide our spaces so that we can actually know where all of our stuff is going. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just fill this up real quick and then we'll move on to the next step. So now what we're going to do is we're going to download this as a JPEG. Okay, now we're going to open our browser and we are going to come over here to pinetools.com/split-image. We're going to get the file, put it in here. We're going to do horizontally, and then we're going to do the 5 blocks, same as input, and then split image. And then you're going to download your zip file. Alrighty, and then we've got all of our photos here. So these are all split up for us so that we can actually, see them as a scroll. So when you upload these to Instagram, they're also going to show the same. Okay guys, so this is my post, and as you can see, it is a very seamless scroll. I hope that helped you guys with making carousels with the new Instagram size update. I know I definitely couldn't use my old version of it because, the cropping. So I really hope this helps some of you guys, but that's all for this video, and I will catch you guys later.